This battery booster is a lifesaver. Seriously, picture this. You're a new driver on your first big road trip, excited, confident, and boom, suddenly your car refuses to start. You're stuck. You're panicking. What do? Do you call for help and wait for hours? Or do you pull out this beastie AVAPOW 6000A battery booster and save the day like a pro? So stick around because I'm going to show you why this should be in every driver's emergency kit. Trust me, it's not a gadget, it's a peace of mind. I clearly remember the first time my car battery died. It was during a snowstorm. I had no idea what to do, and I ended up flagging down a stranger for help. Embarrassing, right? Well, sometimes it can also be dangerous. Hey, have you ever been stuck with a dead battery? Was it on your way to work or was it on a date? Worst moment ever, right? Comment below and tell me your story. Let's open this up and see what's inside. Everything comes nicely packed, no scratches or dents. The protective layer here keeps the booster safe from wear and tear, which is great if you're carrying it around a lot. And here's what you get in the box. The AVAPOW 12-volt 6000A battery booster itself, sturdy and made with premium materials, heavy-duty jumper cables, a 12-volt car cigarette lighter adapter for charging on the go, a handy quick reference guide and a detailed user manual, and this durable carrying case to keep everything organized. Look at it. This is so well thought out. I feel like I'm carrying a mini toolbox for emergencies. Now let's talk about why this thing is a game changer. First off, 6,000 amperes of peak current. That's enough to jumpstart a 12-liter gas engine or a 10-liter diesel engine. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, boats. Yes, you heard it right. Boats also. This can handle them all. Anyone here own a boat? Let me know in the comments. Now let's see what makes it super versatile. 2 USB output ports for charging your devices, a Type-C input for quick recharging, a DC output port for powering other equipment, and my favorite, a built-in LED flashlight with multiple modes, normal, strobe, and SOS. Alright, now for me as a driving instructor, safety always comes first. Let's see what safety features this device comes with. It comes with reverse polarity protection, so no sparks if you connect it wrong. Short circuit protection keeps you and your car safe, and last but not the least, overcharge protection. It helps extend the booster's lifespan. Now, even if you're a beginner, this is foolproof. Parents listening to me, if you've got teens or young drivers in the house, this makes a perfect gift. Hey, after all, as a parent, you want to make sure that they're prepared for emergencies, don't you? Alright, now it's time to put this thing to work. Let's see how it works. Alright, as you can see, it's a cold winter day, and I'm trying to turn on the car. It won't turn on. The time is 2:41, and the car won't turn on. Okay, so I've opened the hood now, and here you see. So you see the blue lights here. So the blue lights indicate that the battery is full, and let's see how much battery will be left after I've boosted the car. Okay, that's AVAPOW, and I'm now going to, now I'm going to plug in the cables. Okay, very easy. You place it closer to the battery, and the red wire connects to the red side, and the black one goes to the black side. You just clip them on, and that's that. And now I'm trying to turn on the engine, and voila, at 2:48. So it took me 7 minutes to set this up. 2:48, we're good to go. It did not even take me more than 30 seconds. Listen carefully, you can hear the engine revving up. So a dead battery to a working engine, that's amazing in less than 30 seconds. Hey, imagine this. It's late at night and your car battery dies. Or you're on a road trip miles away from the nearest gas station. What's your first move? With the AVAPOW, you don't need to panic. You've got all the power you need right here. Plus, it doubles as a power bank. Need to charge your phone while waiting for a tow truck? Done. Forgot to charge your tablet on a long drive? Handled. This little gadget does it all. Now, while there are so many good things about this product, there's one thing I feel AVAPOW could have done better, which is to make this thing a little bit better, right? It comes in the way of plugging in the cable. So if there was a way for them to, probably move it to the side, while we are plugging in the cable, that would have been better. But yeah, I mean, this is not a big thing, but yes, something AVAPOW can work on. Now let's compare it with other boosters in the market. Most jump starters max out at 2000 or 3000 amperes. This AVAPOW gives you 6000 amperes. That's double the power. Plus, this one has a built-in flashlight, power bank functionality, and comes with a premium carrying case. Other models, not really. So, they don't really have these features. Oh, another thing I love in this is a quick reference guide. It's small enough to keep in your glove box and super helpful if you forget how to use a booster. No need to pull out your phone and watch tutorials. It's all right here. And if you want detailed instructions, just scan this QR code for a step-by-step video. AVAPOW really thought of everything. Now, let's be real. I think every driver needs this. Whether you're a new driver, a road trip enthusiast, or someone who just hates surprises, the AVAPOW 12-volt 6000 ampere battery booster is a must-have. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Trust me, it's worth every penny, and it might just save your day. Make sure to grab your exclusive 25% discount with the special code mentioned in the pinned comment below. Hurry up! This offer ends on the date mentioned in the comments, so don't miss out. So there you have it, the ultimate battery booster that's powerful, versatile, and built to last. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Have you ever used a jump starter before? What features do you look for in an emergency gadget? I would love to hear your thoughts. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews and helpful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Stay safe and happy driving.